Here's how I convert to TIFF images. I created a file converter called ConvertSave, and it works on Mac and Windows. Check it out in the description down below, or just go to convertsave.com. It can convert media files, so it can convert images on your desktop. We can just click and drag to drop them into ConvertSave. Got a bunch of different images here. If I wanted them to all be TIFF, click and drag, select the output, TIFF, convert, and then it saves right back wherever those images came from. TIFF is a much higher resolution, more or less compressed file. So you're going to find that some of these are going to be larger file formats, just so you know. TIFF and PNG kind of have like a lossless format. But yeah, so that's how I convert to TIFF images. So if you need to convert to TIFF, use ConvertSave. Check it out in the description. I created this app with my brother. He's a software developer. And I was pretty much just sick of using websites to do all my file conversions. So I can do audio now, video, and images. Hopefully that's helpful to you. This is how I convert to TIFF on Windows and Mac. Thanks for the support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.